At the Oerlikon, I am a senior in-house SAP technology consultant, and my main responsibility is to make sure that all the sub-SAP systems are running smoothly. IT has been now a main business process part. As an IT personnel, we have to come in with new ideas and what the technology is available outside and what that can be applicable to the running business to make it better, always on the improvement phases. You only don't need the actual knowledge of the IT, but a soft skill as well, how to get with the team, how to grow with the team, and just at the end, supporting the client at the shop floor is very fun. In this team, there's a lot of opportunities to grow oneself. It's not only about getting the job, but one can really, if you look back in 5 years after getting this job, and then you will see how much you have improved yourself personally and know the business, and you can grow yourself along with the growing business. So there's lots of opportunity ahead. Our team is very dynamic at the moment, because within the team we have international people. You will see different faces within the team. So it means we are completely hybrid and very dynamic in nature, which has a potential to grow together. We have a not rigid hierarchy of management as such in terms of in the work environment. We all work together, and the decisions can be made by manager, but we are all in the same kitchen, just cooking the different food. There's always a transfer of knowledge among us, and with this, if you look back into 5 years, that you will see that you have grown along with the team together and along with the company as well. Join the Oerlikon.